Hello, hello, hello. Welcome on in, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday afternoon or evening time zone. Heck, it could be Friday morning where you are. I don't know. Today we're going to start in Time Attack. Wait, did I go trick or time? I want trick. I want time. Because we're going to, I forgot which character we used last, so we're just going to start with Ricky here. Because we're going to finish getting the coins. Once we have all the coins, we can move on. Keep an eye out. I have a feeling one's going to be up here. Yep. When it's a secret path, there's guaranteed a coin. GameCube controllers are loud. Called it. The real question is, where's coin 2? Ah, there it is. Coin 3. I try to keep an eye out for whiting spots or good hiding places, you know. Rails like that would generally hold one. Not always, as you can see. It's gonna be up there. Whee! Not worry about slowing down right here because we know coin 2 is right here. Oh, it's right there. That means the one I restarted at where I thought it was going to be one is number 4 then. Just casually going. So my best stick to the left so I can get up that slope up ahead. Dang it. Something like this all stream. But yeah, we're going to finish collecting the coins. Alright, so we're going to finish unlocking the boards. I'm not going to go for every single coin. Once we have all the boards unlocked for the coins, I might do a couple gate trials to unlock some of the secret boards. We're not going to go for the super board, though. I do not have the skill to control the rocket board. That's that one you had to complete every single gate trial, and I might try master it on my own time, but not on stream. We're just here to have fun, you know? We're not here to stress, we're here to have fun. Alright. There it is. Got this time. Oh, of course that was a jump. The kind you can't tell in advance, you know? Whee! Come on. Over here, and then... God damn it, let me up there. You know, I'm just going to go past it, and I'll get my proof of if the coin's up there or not. I'm almost like 99% sure it is. Just taking a quick peek around over here. No coin in here. No coin over here. Go. Where are the last two coins? The reason I want to do the gate trials though is because just completing two against the penguin. The penguin's my friend. We like the penguin. Just because it's funny. Hey Mandy. Welcome on in. Alright. Twice in a row? Anyway. How am I missing this all of a sudden? Yeah, every single time I see you alive, you're stuck on Tenderfoot Pass, I swear. Come on, go. That fucking ramp is such a pain to hit. What? Do. Shit. Whee. Yeah, I'm not even going for 100%. I'm just trying to get all the boards unlocked. And not even all the boards, just all the coin boards, then maybe a couple gate challenge boards before I go back to try and beat extreme difficulty. And I have seriously zero idea where the final coin on this map is. Why does he do that sometimes? Made it. Okay. Break. Yeah, shut up. I'm trying to slow it down so I can see. Take a look around, you know? Is the last coin over here? No. Da, 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 da. Oh, wait, maybe over here? I didn't notice this path. If that's even actually a path. I think that's a path. Gonna have to hit that high speed to be able to make it, but we'll see. You know, fun. There's a cheat code to unlock everything in this game. Though. I remember that from when I was a kid because I wanted to see what everything was, and I just reset the console after putting it in without saving. Or maybe I saved and deleted the save data. Either way, I don't remember. It's been 20 odd years, so you know. I got this as a Christmas present as a kid. Not this copy, unfortunately. I lost my original. I gotta get a new case for this one, so it actually is the correct case for this. Because it's just in a generic DVD case with a printed cover. Hi, cat. Sorry, my computer started making noise I usually only hear when there's a connection issue, so I was pausing and double checking my frames. Because when I'm streaming, it usually spins up the fans quite a bit when it starts dropping frames like crazy. It's trying to reconnect. OBS is trying to reconnect, you know? Like I said, I'll probably end up 100%ing this on my own time, just not on stream. I do enjoy this game. I also need to find my other GameCube controller still so I can play with my roommate. Oh, for those curious about the audio set for this, so that the licensed music isn't on my saved VOD that I upload to YouTube. Um, I have I have a special audio input called licensed music that only outputs the track 6 and advanced audio properties. And then on the YouTube VOD, on the recorded VOD, it only records tracks 1 through 5. You know, I don't use the other 4 tracks. I could. That's the reason I leave them on, even though I don't really use them currently. I might start splitting my audio between the different tracks so I can do audio editing to try readjust things if things are off on VODs, just for the sake of YouTube and all that, making it a little more balanced. But, that's a problem for future me. I now have an idea of where to go for the last coin. Let's see if my idea is correct. Nope, it does not want me going up there. Okay. Then we're back to square one of I have no idea. Am I going to have to pull up like a video of where this is? Hey, buddy. Sorry, Bobby. Just trying to figure shit out. Oh, there it is. Can I get to it? Nope. All right. That's very hard to see a spot. Game. When you push the button faster than the game can respond. Part of the reason I'm not going for 100% on stream is because true 100% is not only getting all the coins on every single map, clearing all those gate trials on every single map. There's also getting first place on all the time trials on every single map, and of course, beating every single difficulty of the races. All right. Casual play, slow mo. Nope. God damn it, game. I don't even know how you're supposed to get that because I don't see a path to right there. You're in a mood right now, Cat. Aren't you? She's got the zoom miss. Wee. So it's under the house. Do I go around this way? I think I go around this way. Haha. That one is mean. That's not a spot nobody's ever going to think to look. Oh, did not mean to do that. Yeah, we're not going on this track again. We finished it. We're changing course. I just accidentally selected it again. Midnight City. Okay, the first coin's right behind that wall right there. That's just up ahead. I was breaking these for the sake of double checking them. Okay, I can't go past that. So I was wrong. Unless I'm right, I'm just not doing it right. Either way. There's an alternate path right here. Oh, nope, that's the first coin. I can never remember which side the second coin is on, so we'll figure it out. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's on that side, isn't it? Nope. I'll take victories like that where I just guess. Go. Just one of the coin pieces in that circle. I've definitely gone too long without seeing one now. Yep, we missed the third one. Whee! Yeah, part of the 100% is also beating the last two difficulties of races with every single character to unlock alternate costumes. There it is. That's what I thought. That's why I started checking around. And I was like, wait, I think I can go down the sides. one of the two sides. I wasn't sure which, but I got the correct one with just a quick look. Nope, yeah. This is one of those games that it feels short, but actually has a lot of content for 100%. I kind of honestly tempted to add to my RA wheel. I'm not going to do that until I'm done with stream stuff, but on it. Because I don't want to double up, Just like the Bomberman list. Unless the game's beat, it does not get put on the list. Or for the retro achievement. Wait, why did I take the first bit of damage? Or did that count as 2 for some reason? Yeah, I got it. That's what matters. Just running over civilians, don't mind me. Yep. We know our 4 or 5 coin pieces are. The last one shouldn't be too difficult to find. Unless they pull another, what they did on the last map. That piece was mean. No. I was trying to grind on the rail. I jumped over it instead. No. Nintendo would never make another 1080 game. How would they follow this one up? Oh, seriously, how would they follow this one up? They don't want to spend money on licensed music. Because that's licensing fees they have to pay other people. On top of the development fees. And, I have no idea where that last coin piece is. They really decided to start hiding him, huh? I wonder if I can get there from the other side. I'm going to check the other side. If it takes me straight there, I'm just going to ride that rail. Yep. I thought I was going to check that side and I didn't. Oh well. Hey, look, I got the rail this time, though. That also works. I don't care if I miss the rail itself as long as I get the coin piece. With how violent the bounce is over here. What? That was the first time jumping over that. If you ever try to scream underwater, you choke. You'll choke. Alright, now we're checking the other side. Nope. So the right side is the, well, right side in the case of that one. Just causing a pile up, don't mind me. Pile up on the east side. That coin is such a pain to try grab. Anyway, let's go down the mountain. Onward and upward, and not really upward, but you know. I've got the power to push people over. Got it. Aha. Found it. And we're now down with this map. Just gotta get to the end. And that's all the boards unlocked, I think. On the secret boards. Secret boards are usable by everybody. Oh, wrong button. Let's check. Yep, we got everything. Bad cat. We'll go through a few gate trials before we go on to trying to beat extreme racing. Ah, missed one. I think the clear means I have to make it all the way to the end of the track, which you can only do if you pass a bunch of these and get the checkpoint. Don't know how that one counts as a pass, for sure. Got it. Showing off some of the unlocks and showing off the different modes, and then our goal is just to beat all the races, really. I want to get the coins for the sake of unlocking all the boards on stream. That was going to be the other way around, where I would get I would get most of the coins and still not have all the boards unlocked, but I was wrong. I find finding that one of the maps for the snowboarding game that was called Ski School. I've been snowboarding a few times. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And we unlock Mr. Beaks. Or at least we're gonna get through novice, and I'm thinking maybe try to get at least 2 courses done on the next set. We'll see how hard those end up being, because they hit the coins well on the next set. We'll see how the gate challenges are. We're not gonna go for 100% on this. I just want to unlock Mr. Beaks, really, but Aw, miss. Missed two of them. Was that good enough for first? It was not. And you only get unlock stuff if you get first on these ones. Like time trial, where the point is to unlock the coins. All right. God. Go. I'm not gonna make it. I got stuck. Yeah. I will not. I cannot miss that rail. It becomes too much of a problem trying to hit the ones that are on it. There we go. Yep. Ah, that's the very last one. Still not good enough for first. And the last course on every single section is the challenge course, but that doesn't bode well for us trying out the ones on the next section. Go. Go. There's someone out there who can do this course on the rocket board doing this and can get it perfect on every zone. I'm terrified of that person. And it better not be you, Mandy. Why is that one so hard to hit? All right, that should do it this time. Got it. Since we're changing difficulty, it's time to change characters. Hey, Kimon. How you doing, buddy? I want to play it. I want to ride Mr. Beaks. Oh, not novice. Hard. Hard, darling. Excuse me. I love you, Mr. Beaks. Finish. Wow. Oh, I got perfect. I wasn't fast enough. I may have to switch boards to a faster board with better control. Love you, Mr. Weeks, but like, yep, gotta change boards. Okay. Sorry, Mr. Beaks, but you're not fast enough. Fun and silly, but not fast enough. It's not my current skill level. Oh, hey, look, we're gonna be able to raid someone I almost never get to raid tonight. Something else goes live that I haven't been able to raid in forever. Either way. Because this one I have a more often chance than the other person, you know. We'll find out when the time comes. "17 seconds versus 15. That's going to be a new record. The question is it enough? It is. Hell yeah. Yeah, this game is a little rude. Tree Top Trauma. Treetop Trauma. Alright. I might eventually think about picking up speedrunning for this game. I just don't want to do it immediately. And if I do, I'll entirely be a Mr. Beast speedrunner. Do Mr. Beast percent on every single map. I am making a resolution, though. I will not pick up speedrunning this game until I have 100% on my own time. Get up. Gives us the easy route? Come on. All right. Do we first try this one? We did. We unlocked the NES controller. Yeah, secret boards are just fun. Except for the rocket board, which is terrifying. When I finish this section, I'll check if we're close to unlocking the last one. If we are, I'll go ahead and go for it. Otherwise, we're going to move on to trying to finish the game. You already finished the game. You beat the main difficulties, yes, and there's still one more. No! Whee! I slammed into that log, I guess, instead of grinding it. Whatever. Alright, go through that section faster than we did last time. We're not missing a huge pile of gates just because I fell. You didn't hop on the rail like you did last time. One second. Messed that up pretty bad. Entirely because I got distracted for a second. I just noticed they don't give you a power meter on this mode. Probably keep you from cheating by doing a bunch of tricks, mini tricks to build your power meter and get really fast. This is a skill mode. It's about how well can you handle, how quickly can you move while you handle. Why do I keep missing that now? Because you're not lined up right. Shut up. You know what I mean. Like, I had absolutely no issues with that specific one until the last few tries. That's not going to mean no. Yeah, called it. What do you mean myth? I was inside of it. Not before when I hit the flags inside of it. Whatever. Get up, get up, get up. I'm making really good time too, even with that fall down. Come on, a little faster. Damn it. I know. I'm pretty sure I have to have at least 12 seconds at the end. Oh, never mind. We're good. Change course. Trestle trouble. Actually, real quick. 3 more, 12 more. Yeah, we're not going to bother. I saw on stream. We're just going to finish up the first two gate challenges. And, I mean, this last course. And then we're going to push for the last set of races. Oh, I also need to show off trick mode. I want to at least show off every mode once on here, even if I don't never really got good at trick mode in this, so I don't even know if trick mode gives you anything other than just being there for the sake of extreme sports in the early 2000s, you know. Go. Go. Jesus Christ. Get up and go. Go. We're not even halfway down this map. Jesus. Oh, wait, yes, we are. Never mind. I misread the map. Damn it. We're gonna hope. Go as quick as we can. Try to hit every single other one. I think without a perfect last zone, though, we didn't even come close. Or we did. Okay, sure. All right, let's try, check out Trick Attack. Rob, you're up. Actually, you know what? For Trick Attack, let's use the NES board. We're going to go on each of these maps. I, again, never really got good at doing the tricks in these games. We're just going to see what we can do. Alright, this one's a jump. Like I said, never got good at it. But we're not, as far as I'm aware, there's not really an unlock for getting first on each of these, other than, you know, getting first on each of these. Or just taking a look at each map, showing them off. You know. This one's the half pipe. This really feels super tacked in, if I'm being honest. Go. Any direction, please. Just go. Now for the last of the stunt courses, and then we'll move on. I don't remember what the last stunt course is. Is this one just a bunch of ramps? Or is this one the grind course? Go. Whee! Perfect. Get up. Yeah, this is the mixed media course. I was trying so hard to get good at these when I was a kid, and, well, the fact that I'm pretty sure you don't get anything other than bragging rights for being the high score set, you know. Extreme challenge. And we're finishing with Tara. And her backbone. Or there's a cheat that lets you use any board as any player. Alright. That was a really bad mess up. Go the right direction, please.
Going locks?
I'll go extreme difficulty where you can. There is some rubber banding in this one. As you can tell, I should have not been able to catch up already. But the computer can't get too far ahead because it is a Nintendo game. They want to make sure kids can have a chance. What? Sure, game. You can hold back and let them win, but the further away from the computer gets, the less it goes full speed. You can see the computer got stuck there on the map if you looked. They're gonna win. They're too close. This time, hopefully, I don't get body slammed by a deer. Or have an off balance on and get knocked all the way to 0 out of nowhere. Get up. By the way, the VODs for this game do get deleted off Twitch because apparently the audio still gets saved despite my changes. So I delete the audio for or delete the VODs for this on Twitch. Sorry, everybody. There's a couple of moments I'll try to get one before I delete it, but you know. I did it the hard way. I can just take a different route that basically guarantees I avoid the deer. Get up. Now, if I don't hit a tree, that'd be nice. Got it. Well, we now have one life left to get through the next few races until the Challenger got infinite lives, but you know. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Get up. Oh, looks like we're starting to stream over. Game over. Let's call this for a reason, as you can tell. Go. We're having a good time. I'm going to select quit because we're not losing a life on the first stage, but you win. Well, if I was wondering, Zia's taunt. Get back here. All right, let's go. I still have a chance. If the game will go. Get up. I'm losing. Are you fucking serious? Do you not want me to be able to do this game? Oh, so what the hell happened there? I see you. Since I see you now, that means I have a chance of beating you. Fucking. So how are you? God damn it, go. I didn't give it a chance to give me the game over. I'm just quitting. Extreme is extreme for a reason, but we will beat this tonight. I am making extremely basic mistakes here. I don't know how many bands in this game are even still together. I know Cauterize isn't. What just happened there? And I still won, so it doesn't matter, but I'm confused by how I flipped in that one spot. Oh, this is the one I raced myself. Okay. One second, I do apologize. Neck was getting stiff. Had to pop it real quick. Might as well stretch the rest of the body. All right. Or the map that kicks my ass. Hey, come in. Go. Just because you fell does not mean you can just sit there. What the hell? I didn't push towards the... Anyway. How's everybody doing? I'm only getting mildly frustrated. But I still have a chance currently. I'm not that far behind. Get up. Thank you. Yep, I lost. I swear, this map must have micro bumps or something in it that make you lose balance. Because I've been losing it on stuff that I don't even see. That tree doesn't count. I saw that tree. I just messed up. God, this map kicks my ass. It's just a matter of practicing until we get it. Finally. One life to get through 3 more races. Assuming match 7 is the challenge map where you just have infinite lives. I will not let you win. God damn it. That was so fucking close. I know we can do this. We're getting better. We're making it further. Y'all think Finger 11 still tours? I'll look it up after stream. You know. I completely forgot they existed until I started playing this again. And that's what practice does. Look how far ahead we were on that. As we memorize the reverse mass, we get better. And as we get better, we stop struggling as much. Slowly but surely, we will beat this. If I actually go over tonight, because I want to finish extreme difficulty, and then we'll roll the wheel for what's next. Conversations. Oh, that's right. I passed them there. I'm not complaining. I passed them there. Just, you know, rare. I fell at the last fucking second. And that pisses me off. Because now I'm down in life when I really shouldn't be. I don't even know what knocked me down. I just suddenly fell over. What the? Huh, you're early tonight. Sorry to someone who I usually don't see for another 2 hours of streaming now. Forgot I started over for a second. Thought I was on a different map. Good thing I caught on quickly. Oh, I missed that. The question is, can I still win having missed that? Only way to find out is to go. Go, 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 go. Wee. Anyway. Actually, give me a second. I'm just gonna get a quick drink of water. My head's starting to hurt a little bit. All right. Ooh, I needed that. My eyes are watering. I don't know why I said watering like that, but whatever. I don't think anybody says watering like that. That's why my mic picked that up. Jesus. I was just rotating my wrist and it popped. What's really funny is if I had the rocket unlocked, I would make this a joke because of how fast it is, as long as I don't mess up. I could always put in the password for it, but I'm not going to. If I can get my head above the water for a moment of your time, I can't hold my breath for long. If you ever try to scream underwater, you'll choke. Anyway, didn't even get to that part. I do know that they went out of their way to make sure that your shouts. God damn it! That your shouts actually have some slight differences based on where you do them. Spatial. They're spatial. Nope, we might still have a chance. Beer's not that far ahead. What? No, I was not 0.02 milliseconds behind. We were at the exact same time. Whatever. I said 0.02. I meant just 2 milliseconds. Got it. Hold on. Okay, I'm losing my mind. I thought. Excuse me. I thought I saw someone live on Twitch that shouldn't be live right now. Just go. Stop tilting towards the wall. Why are you tilting? Go. This is a race, not a walking simulator. What the fuck? At max power now, so that means I have a chance of catching up easier. I doubt I will. We'll see. Yep, nope. Fucking hell. Get up. I still would love to have affiliate before my birthday, but it's definitely not happening at this point. Get up. Really? We're not losing life on the very first map. I'm starting to stress out because I am tired from working all day, and then, you know, frustration from not being able to. You could have recovered, and I was about to slam into a tree. I was going to deal with how much potential fallback that would give me. All right. Fine, I'll switch characters. I don't know. Fuck. Let's go, Ricky. It's your turn to try. On your fucking Mario board. Maybe switching up characters will give me the thing I need just to be able to focus. Way to go, Ricky, because he's the next one on the list for when I switch characters anyway. Because I already did everybody else. Get up. I went through a tree right there, but I will not complain that it didn't affect me. Yeah, going by all the meters on the match screen, that tells me that the speed is measured in meters per hour, not miles per hour. No, it says kilometers an hour. Well, you know. Shh. I'm an idiot sometimes, okay? But when we roll, just because I do not want to deal with it, if we roll a racing game, I will switch. Just I don't want to do 2 racing games in a row, you know? I swear to God, if I actually one shot this with Ricky, I'll be very upset. Chances are low. Ricky is the most balanced character, but like at the same time, I suck. I have no idea what a Crayola is. Ooh, that was a close one. Actually, I had custom tracks for some of these. Says Night MIDI. I want to know what that sounds like. Give me that delicious, delicious MIDI file. Let's see Aura at full power. Hey, did the random give us no music? Ah, barely lost. Oh, not one-shotting. Also, I'm pretty sure it's me. Like the CPU version of me, but still me. All right. Woods Thicket. And yes, I am racing a snowman. You got a problem with that? Take it up with your lawyer. Or a snowman's lawyer. Either way. Nothing in the rulebook says a snowman can't snowboard. Okay. God. Fucking. That was bullshit. Pretty sure I lost. Yep. Wait. That was my last. God damn it. Yeah, if I end up adding this to my speedrun list, I will absolutely try to do silly percent runs where you snowboard as the snowman on Mr. Beaks. Gotta be the fastest one at being silly. It is actually possible to beat this with the worst board. Just you have to be really good, know all the proper things to be able to boost and all that. Know where you're going. Don't get hit stuck on walls like that. I thought I pulled off a backflip there. Get up. We're not unrecoverable yet. You choke. We're not getting game over on the first map. Or is that the second map? Either way, we're not losing life until we get to the snowman. We won't be we won't be able to beat this as easily as possible. Have our highest chances. Really? Go. Game. Damn, we demolished the CPU that time, but they got stuck on a log like an idiot. Anyway. We go. I swear to Christ, game. I don't win this time. I'm going to take a quick short break because I do need to go to the bathroom, but we're going to try to get through this. Go. Game. I don't know how the computer fell so far behind either, but you know, whatever. Game. I don't know what you're doing. Stop it. All right. Next race. I was going to set a specific song when we get to the final challenge level where we have infinite lives. Because we're going to go out on the theme song of the game. That's what Nintendo acts like it's a theme song. Choke. Because might as well go out on a high note. Or while choking, either way. Why weren't you jumping? God damn it. I'm upset about that. Very fucking upset. Sure. Why the hell did I stop turning? Yo. Fucking. I never complain when I hit a tree in the game and it doesn't actually punish me. Because, you know, I didn't get punished for hitting a tree. What just happened there? Whoop, whoop. Aha, I survived. And just go. Looked over double check chat at the wrong second. Last second, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to think if you cross at the same time, it just defaults to playing the second person, or the whoever is decides his last is point or is 2 milliseconds behind. You know. We are not to lose a life before the snowman. If it turns out to be a different character when we get there, whatever. Who cares? Get up. Oh, I found out why there is a password for battle mode on Barman GB. It turns out it is, in fact, unavailable on Game Boy for some reason. You know, the Game Boy has a link cable. It's just a blank spot in the menu. That was my fault. I kept. Okay. All right, we're gonna take a short break. Everybody, stretch, hydrate, do what you need to do. 1 second. And but yeah, be right back. All right, let's do this. Oh, I also unmute the game because I have to do that one manually right now. Because that's not set up on my thing to auto go, unlike the other one. Let's try doing Bad Cat. I really have to finish this soon though, because I work tomorrow. For now, if we fail, I'm just going to switch characters. Keep cycling through until we get it. Time to switch characters. As we cannot lose lives early on. Next. Yeah. All right. Next race. It's fine. We're going to try again. Lose the second life. We'll move on to the next character. And if we get to the snowman, if we lose 2 lives, we'll move on. I mean, not like on this run, like in general, if we lose 2 lives against the snowman. Nope. God damn it. Still have a chance. It's fine. Damn it. I had enough time to be able to do a double. I was wrong. God damn it. Both, if I didn't get caught on that fucking snowmobile. Rob's turn. Rob has maxed out balance, so how to get knocked off balance like that? Do a flip. What the hell? If we're having impeccable balance, Rob, you sure get knocked on your ass easily. What the hell happened to the computer? They're way back there. time is it? Okay. This is our last attempt. If I don't make it, we'll do another stream of this. I'll get some practice in between. Because it's 11 o'clock here, and I do work tomorrow at 10 in the morning, so. I had to get going to bed. If we manage to do it first try next time, well, I guess I'll just do bonus stuff or maybe do runs with all the other characters to unlock all their stuff they get for beating this. And of course, if I make it, there's not going to be another stream of this, you know. We'll roll and see what's next. I'll figure it out. We'll have our answer after. We'll have our answer in a couple minutes. I thought that snowmobile was the computer passing me. Skeleton. Okay. All right. We have a shot. Avalanche Alley. Wait, does this mean? Yes! We should have infinite lives. We should be able to finish this. Let's go. We'll see, but, you know. Yep. Infinite lives. Let's go. It's okay. We got this. Yep. I thought those are kids I was supposed to go into. I'm feeling good. I made past the worst of it. Now we can do this. That means I should be able to finish unlocking anything on my own time. I got stuck on the rock. you memorize these maps properly, you can get really far ahead of the avalanche. I love seeing how far ahead I could get, and also I love seeing how long I could dangerous surf as a kid. Like, I love doing both ends. Like, the avalanche had no chance, and then the other end of, I'm in danger. Last game. All right. It is time to roll the wheel. As soon as I remember, I put the wheel. Because it's been a little bit. So, is it over here? No. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry, I had to rearrange because it's below everything. All right, what is the next game going to be? Sword of Vermilion for the Sega Genesis. All right. Makes me happy to have the composite cable because I can just play on my Genesis and have it nice and sharp. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in 2 weeks. Let's go ahead and close that. And whatever. And we're going to rate out. Looks like Code is live, and I almost never get to rate Code because different time schedules. So let's go ahead and rate Code. I'm going to go ahead and mute the game now. Thank you everybody for stopping by. We'll be back Saturday with Retro Achievement Roulette. Which I might as well just throw this on there. See if we can start getting some achievements in that. In the meantime, though, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Or wonderful night, really. And I'll see you guys here next time. Oh, and Tuesday we'll be back with Bomberman 3, Super Bomberman 3 for the Super Nintendo. Raid messages in chat, and I'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.